Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fumi and I'm Fumi the Dressmaker. If this is your first time seeing me, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. So today's video is going to be a short one. I'm just going to show you how to make patch pockets, but we're not just doing any patch pockets. I had this pink pair of pants and I thought it would be really cute if I could make heart-shaped pockets, and it turned out really great. I really liked it, and so I decided to share the video with you. So we're going to learn how to make heart-shaped pockets, and I think from this you can do like any other shape that you like. But sharp, that's what we're going to be doing today. Let's get straight into the video. Okay, first of all, here's everything that you need for this project. You can pause and take a screenshot. So first of all, with my piece of paper and marker, I'm just trying to get the shape of half of a heart, because that's what we're going for this pocket. And then for an even shape, I think it's better to just do like half of it and then cut it on the fold. So I'm just trying to get it to look as good as I can. If you have something that is heart-shaped, that will be a lot easier to trace. Anyway, when I'm happy with the shape, I start cutting out my little pattern and voila. So now I'm just folding my fabric over so that I can place it on the fold. Remember, that center line is supposed to be on the fold, and then I'm pinning my paper in place just so that it can be stable while I cut before proceeding to cut it out. And there we go. Look at that shape. It's looking good so far. It's looking really good. And then for our second pocket, I'm just placing it and cutting the same thing. And then here we have our two pockets. I'm really happy with how this is looking right now. Bias tape, you take your bias tape and then we're going to sew it all around the edges of both pockets. So I'm just trying to demonstrate and show you how exactly I'm going to do this. So you place it, and I think the trickiest part is getting to sew it all around that curve. Like, you have to be really careful, and you would have to go a bit slower, except you're a really good pro. But like, that was the part that took me more time. So just slow and steady, there's no rush. And then snipping off all the loose threads, and at the center there, I'm just going to snip it, as you can see, so that when it's folded over, like there won't be any crease around that area. So now I'm folding over my bias tape and I'm just going to sew over that. Like I said before, the curvy area is the part that took the most time for me, at least. So it requires a bit of patience, but it looks good in the end. So yeah. Then that's the bottom, the like middle at the bottom. I'm just trying to fold it over as carefully as possible. I'm trying to get my stitches to look as neat as possible too, because despite the fact that this is a DIY project, it doesn't have to look rough and it doesn't have to look, ratchet or whatever. Almost there, just a little more. I had to lift up the foot of the machine a few times, but yeah, we made it to the end in one piece. So and after snipping off all the loose thread, this is what we have. It's looking really good. I'm just going to press it. Well, I love the shape still. Here they are, our 2 pockets, and I've pinned them in place on my pants about 3 inches down from the waistline. So just trying to make sure they are both like exactly on the same place on both sides, because you don't want one pocket look like sitting higher than the other one. So after that, I just pin them in place. Mind you, this is after pressing both pockets. So now I'm just going to sew to secure them to the pants, just at the bottom part. Remember, it's a pocket, so you leave the top part open, and then right at the edge is where I sew to connect them. And this is what we have after that. So I tried the pants on. Please ignore the zipper area. We're focusing on the pockets right now. And I think like the one thing I would change is the position of the pockets. I would bring it lower a bit. It's a bit too high for my liking. Other than that, I'm totally happy with this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I was clear enough with everything. If you have any questions at all, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any tutorial requests at all, please let me know that as well in the comment section. Or you can send it as a message to me on Instagram. My Instagram is linked in the description box. So yeah, I will be looking forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really like how these pants turned out, how these pockets turned out. So like, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe and to like and to comment so that I can know that my videos are actually helping you. Thank you.